in Ukraine, and for the next 7 days, I'll try to make $1,000 using different side hustles, offline and online. No excuses. I'll try to document everything. Will I make it? We'll see in the end of the video. And maybe you walk away with amazing strategy to try yourself. Let's go. No. Sheesh. Yeah. Guys, this is the day one. It's Monday, June 30, 2025. And today I did public speaking. You'll see on my screen. So in the next clip, you will see my show. And it's like about King Will, about addictions. It's quite dope. I had a challenge in my mind to go to all the cafes, all the like places, restaurants, and trying to bring them customers with like short form videos. And I wanted to do that with my friends, but it was 2 places. Still failing. I think I need to go like probably 20 or 50 places to understand this is like even working or not. So, I feel so cringe right now. Such a cringe, This coffee shop was the 5th place. Yeah. I think I need to make 45 more. I booked a call with somebody. Probably I will have meetings with other like owners or something. Today in Ukraine, super beautiful. You see the stadium? Yeah. Cars. Like my shows. You see restaurant? Felicita. Yeah. Let's go there. So it's second day, but our balance is still $0. I need to fix that immediately. First day, I did a public speech. On that public speech, I was trying to pitch in my club, my community, plus mentoring for Ukrainian people. And basically, I earned 0 money and 0 clients. So the result is inefficient. And my mentor gave me another task. So I need to outreach all of my friends who have connections, who have businesses or something like that. Go and make a video for 1 minute, only 1 minute, and talk about like how can I be valuable for them in the week, like do a short tasks or maybe longer tasks to make extra money. I don't...
Друже, привіт, як справа, як життя, чим займаєшся? Давно з тобою не бачилися, було прикольно залетіти на якийсь зумчик, прямо зараз я качаю англомовну.
No, it's one of the simplest and quickest and shortest way to make money. Just go to your friends and propose and give an offer about for example, you can do whatever, like a website, you can do anything. Can be something big or something small for. So maybe you know about Upwork, Fiverr, but in my case it's Preply. Preply, it means I will be like a tutor in English. I can be a teacher for Ukrainian students or like students abroad. And it's pretty fast money. So I'm just sending tons of invitation for tomorrow's event. And tomorrow's event will be about my public speech, TED Talk, about why you care what people think about you and how to stop it. I just made a conclusion that I need to sell clothes, some of the expensive clothes from my wardrobe. I did a photo shoot for my friend. So let me see. Let me show you. 4 pairs of shoes. Then this thing for iPhone 14, 15. Plus, I have an amazing box. AliExpress mask for $50. I'd like to clean my shoes to sell them, for selling. I have 2 pairs of shoes to clean. I'm using toothpaste and I don't know, shower gel, or how to say it. I don't even know. I'm like a Phil Knight, who created Nike. This is a really funny job. If you'd like to find one of the quickest way to make a little bit of money or more money than you expected, this is sell something that you don't use. So I go with this option because 2 years ago I started my second business after I just selling some books. I sold some books from my shelf, and yeah, this is it. Not only books, even AirPods. I even called my friend and said, my guy, I need your help with eBay. Maybe we can sell something for a US market or for UK or something like that, just to have a better price, because pricing in Ukraine for those clothes can be super low. Second pair. This one is like cleaner, whatever. But I hope I can sell it for at least $120 maybe, probably. What do I have right now is like, I will do something with Reddit. I will try to pitch. I will try to DM. I will try to like, I mean, in the next like 2 days, I will make another like presentation, another public speaking. I need to launch a TikTok. I need to like, to try to like sell clothes. And yeah, I need to make a portfolio or something like that. I mean, this is crazy. So what do we have right now? I just posted everything on the local marketplace. Then I'm working with Reddit. So I think I'll make a blog on Reddit. So I have my profile, I have my community, I have like Iron Club here on Reddit. So I'll try to gain clients here. I'm just editing video about like perfectionism and like, but yeah, whatever. You know what I mean. I will play tennis for the next like 10 minutes. In an hour, it's almost 8 p.m. I'll go home and go outside and like chill after work. Then English tutoring. Like I'll try to be an English teacher. Selling my expensive clothes, because I have like a couple of expensive clothes from. I will go and try to find like local shops or something like that. Any place there, if they like to have a better like content, better branding, better something, I will try to pitch them and like earn a couple of hundreds of dollars. I have a couple of rich friends, kind of rich, and you know, like ego death. When you go and ask them for help, for example, my guy, give me the work, my guy, give me the task, my guy, like help me, like outreach, you know, system as I showed you before. So I have like 2 good leads, and I will like, I don't know, type them and call them and say, yeah, I need your help, you know, my brother, I need your help, because this is like a hard situation right now. And at the same time, I have a challenge and, you know, because I like lost my business and I lost my cash flow before. And right now I only invest in money. So I need to build a system that will make me money. So guys, I'm real human being, like no cash flow, no result in the challenge. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm like sitting for a couple of hours and thinking about everything, and try to build another system, try to build another like task for the next couple of days to like to speed things up, to change this situation, because this is not good at all, like at all.